Okay, you're awake now. All right, yeah, everybody's awake. Okay, welcome, San Diego Java Users Group. I appreciate you guys all coming out here. Now, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and put those cell phones to silent mode or vibrate mode. You know, if you see somebody out at the glass, wave in, banging on the door, let me know. I'll go let them in. I'll walk up with them in. Restrooms are right to your back. There's a little screen there. It's the midsection, so we will take a break tonight. I mean, if you were here last month, we kind of forgot about that break and the guy went on. So tonight we have an actual good break. Well, let's get over to there. There we go. Yeah, so it's kind of built into the system. Our speaker has actually 2 talks tonight. So speakers out in the Java 1 and the Oracle 1 world now, I think we're limited to about 45 minutes of speak time. So it kind of fits in good with the double feature at the users group. Let's see. New people, don't be shy. First timers, all right, excellent, thank you, yeah. That's because all us old timers been here month after month. We know our mission statement. For the new people, though, we like to cover it. So why do we come here? Except for, you know, why not? We have pizza, now we have beer. But we like that networking, that technology exchange. You know, what's going on around town in San Diego? Yeah, most of us are from San Diego, working here, have maybe some aspect of Java that we're working on, which is kind of cool. I want to share that and relate it up. And then, of course, the interesting speakers that we bring in. Becoming a member. It's now easier than ever. Join Meetup. That's pretty much, you know, we have one of our sponsors paying that for us, and it's very useful. We have over 300 members now, which is great. It beats out the old Yahoo groups, pretty much. I don't know, how many people are still getting Yahoo emails, announcements from me? Usually, few people still. How many people know what Yahoo is? Or don't know what Yahoo is? They got bought by Verizon, I believe, a little bit ago. Not sure where they're going. We do have a group on Facebook and, of course, over on LinkedIn. They're not as active as the Meetup site, so very easy to become a member. Now, good announcement, a word from our sponsor. If you guys, one, both, come on up. Let's hear about Proven Recruiting. Uh-oh, you saw that, so did I. Oops. Okay, I'll change that.
Oh, I got a mic. You got a mic, go for it. Awesome. Hey everyone, I'm Sun, that's Sam back there. We are both from Proven Recruiting. We both focus on tech in San Diego, so if you guys are ever looking for jobs, I have like 9 Java roles open. But honestly, we are here just to, you know, make you guys see what Java is like in San Diego. It's obviously pretty hot down here. Java and .NET are the biggest technologies that we see. And so, if you have any questions, you know, come reach out to us. We're here to be a reference as well. Just here to provide insight on our lives and what we go through as well. I have 5 years of technical recruiting experience, and Sam, although I'm new to San Diego, Sam has been in recruiting for a while as well. So if you guys have any questions, just reach out and let us know, and enjoy your pizza.
Thanks again for the pizza. Really good. Okay, now we have the part 2 of announcements. So, I'm always looking for speakers. You know, June, July, and August, I think we got wrapped up. So the fall, though, September, October, November, and our favorite month, December. So, I usually say that, you know, if you got a topic, that's wonderful, but if you have a speaker, we can probably present that topic. So, that's even better. And if you want to present, we can do a couple of, you know, local 45-minute talks on one Java night, if you like. We've had a couple of local speakers do that. Some of them are interesting. It's really kind of cool to see what people are doing either as a hobby or in their business. So, is anybody looking for work this evening? One couple of people, great. This is a great time if you would like to stand up and kind of say who you are and what kind of job are you looking for, or what's your background?
start talking is, where are you from? So I will address that first. I'm from the Netherlands, from Amsterdam. Until recently, I worked for a bank, which was California Bank and Trust, and I was mainly developing in Microsoft Access and SQL Server. And I found that's too limited, and I've also found that Microsoft Access has some weaknesses. So I quit my job because the economy is really well, and I have enough on my bank account to just sustain myself for 5 years or so. And I looked around and I decided that probably Java is the way to go. So, this is one of the steps that I'm making. Just see what's going on. I followed a few Java courses, and since I did a lot of languages in the past, there are a lot of things that I recognize. A few things that Java has extra, which is a huge library with all sorts of functions. So that's roughly where I'm standing. I'm exploring the area, want to get to know more about Java, and eventually get myself a job with Java. Probably combined with SQL Server or Oracle or Sybase, what I did in the past as well. So that's me.
Great, thank you very much.
If anybody has any suggestions where I can find good courses or anything else, just let me know.
What's your name now?
Excuse me?
What's your name?
Bart, B-A-R-T.
All right, thank you, Bart. Please.
Hi everyone, my name is Maggie. I'm a recent college graduate and I'm looking for Java roles. Currently I was working at Untold as a reverse engineer, but I want to desktop Java development, so I want to switch courses. So that's what I'm looking for. Please let me know if something is available. Thank you.
Thank you, Maggie. All right, anyone else looking? Don't be shy. Okay, now the next part. Go to the direct hire managers first. Are there any direct hire managers in? Give them the opportunity. Kim.
So you'll see on the resume area website, we are hiring software engineers in both development and testing, automation testing. So we are looking at different levels, mostly mid-level and senior level engineers. We can talk in a break time. I can give you feedback on what we are looking for. If you are interested in investment, we are always here, always here. I found my job at restaurant through Java user group as well, so it's really good to see
All right, it's good. One of our success stories about networking. There have been many of them over the years. So the group, it is nice to see one or two people actually get set up at from a users group to a job. Okay, so I know we've already heard from Proven Recruiting. So is there anyone else that's looking for people to work for them?
Hi everyone, I'm Shannon from Facade. I am also looking for Java developers. There are lots of openings, lucrative contracts, and direct hire opportunities. Mid to senior principal engineers. So please, me up on LinkedIn. And my information is on all of these.
Yes, thank you for the beers and of course the cards on the beer. We're going to have the competition of the recruiters. Where can they put their cards next? Okay, so our sister group, the San Diego Kotlin group, they meet usually on the first Wednesday of each month, but next July, it's 4th of July. So it's going to be on the second Wednesday. I've got good word that it's going to be a great meetup, and if you're interested in Kotlin, which is that language that's, kind of works on the JVM or the virtual machine, but it's Java-like, a little bit less verbose maybe. But go to Kotlin meeting and take a look at it. It's pretty cool. Our next Java meetup is on July 17th, and we're going to have our security guy here from ResMed give a talk on some stuff on securing your Java applications. Does anyone else have an announcement other than, Comic-Con is in July? Does anybody have tickets? Anybody want to give auction tickets off? Okay, now any other announcements around town that you guys have heard about?
Start Executive Week is next week, so if any of you are interested in starting a community, we'd love to have events there as
Okay, that's Startup San Diego starting next Monday. Runs all week, I think. Okay. And I'm assuming if you just Google San Diego Startup Week, you'll find it. All right.
Code Camp? Is Code Camp this coming weekend?
Code Camp, yeah. Has anybody heard about the Code Camp, Southern California Code Camp at UCSD Extension? I actually haven't heard. It's usually on the last weekend of June. Okay, I've seen, yeah, and I haven't gotten an email about it either, so interesting. All right, a little bit about our speaker up here. Just to say a word, he's been around for a little bit, giving talks. He is definitely a nice computer geek, doing all kinds of cool stuff. He's working at Google now, which is kind of cool in itself. But yeah, been a Java champion, and I guess I'll just let him go from there after we get started. Thank you very much to our sponsors and also to ResMed for providing the facility. And just note at the end of the meeting or at the break, please clean up. This is self-service. I don't know, you guys want the bottles back or do you want the bottles in the trash? Recycle bottles, okay, that would be somewhere in one of the buckets here. Okay, thank you very much, and we're going to do a quick switch out.